In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Acuity scheduling. This integration process will streamline handling payments directly through your scheduling platform, making it much easier to manage your business operations. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website and log into your account. If you already have an account, once you log in, you'll immediately see what the dashboard looks like. It's your central hub for managing all your scheduling tasks and settings. Now, to link your Stripe account, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on the Payments section. This area is crucial because it houses all your payment settings and available processors. When you look through your offerings there, you should be able to locate the Stripe option. This is where you'll have the chance to enable some really convenient checkout options, including digital wallets, card payments, and even the tap-to-pay feature, which can be a real asset in creating a seamless payment experience for your clients. To proceed with connecting Stripe, you're going to click on the Connect button. This action will launch a new window, taking you straight to the Stripe login page. Once it appears, enter your Stripe email address and click Submit. It's a simple step, but crucial for moving forward. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to Stripe. Go ahead and enter your password. After entering your credentials, click Submit again. This will ensure Stripe recognizes you and allows the connection to proceed smoothly. After signing in successfully, you'll be redirected back to Acuity scheduling, where the connection process will complete. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, don't worry. Just follow the on-screen steps to finalize the account linking. It might require you to enter a code sent to your device, so make sure to keep your phone or email handy. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Stripe to Acuity scheduling. This setup will not only facilitate easier payment processing, but also enhance your overall client experience by providing them with secure, modern payment options. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for joining today, and we'll see you in the next video.